What's going on, everybody? Steven here for our second ever car vlog. Alright, today we're going to talk about the HKS exhaust for the G35. For those of you who don't follow my page, I just installed last week the HKS True Dual high power exhaust. I bought it off of KAMISPEED's website. Awesome website, by the way. I'm going to put a link below. If you guys have never checked out KAMISPEED, these guys were awesome. I called them up. They gave me a first-time buyer promotion code. They gave me, it's 5% off, but when you're spending $1,200 on an exhaust, 5% helps out. I think I saved like $40 or so because I just called in, and the guys there are really cool. They helped me out. But anyways, the exhaust, it's a True Dual all the way to the cats. So you're taking the old exhaust off all the way up to the right past the white pipe where the catalytic converters are. This exhaust is freaking awesome. I love it. I did a lot of research before I bought the exhaust. There's a lot of good exhausts out there. I didn't want anything that had any rasp to it, which a lot of the stuff I was seeing, a lot of the exhausts I was seeing have a tendency to have a little bit of rasp in them once you get them broken in. And the only one I was not seeing that for was the HKS exhaust. Also, I wanted a True Dual exhaust all the way to the front. Ooh, bump. I wanted a True Dual exhaust all the way up. And what was the other thing? That was pretty much it. I just wanted a True Dual that sounded really good. And that is exactly what you get with the HKS True Dual exhaust. This thing sounds amazing. If you guys haven't checked out my other videos, check out my other videos. I did a comparison video on the before and after. Unfortunately, everything is shot on my iPhone right now. I haven't bought a actual camera yet. So everything's shot on my iPhone, so the video isn't, perfect quality. It sounds a lot better in person, that's all I can tell you. It looks amazing and it sounds really good in the video comparison. But I'm gonna tell you right now, it sounds even better in person. I went to a car meet this past weekend with it finally, and there wasn't, all the car meets I've been to, I haven't seen anyone with the HKS exhaust on the G35. So this one I went to, everyone saw it and they were like, "Oh dude, it looks good." No, I didn't go revving or anything stupid like that, but I turned it on and everyone loved it. It just sounds so good. It takes that deep exhaust tone that you're used to in the G35 and it just amplifies it and makes it sound so much better. It really takes those deep Infiniti, the VQ engine, it really takes those deep tones and it just makes them times 10. It makes them so much better. There's no rasp in it whatsoever. I know ARC sells a imitation, and I believe Godspeed sells an imitation HKS too. It looks the exact same pretty much, except for the H pipe. So when you get all the way up, almost to the catalytic converter, the HKS comes with an H pipe just to make sure that both of the exhausts are equal. It has two little equalizer tubes there to make sure that both of the exhausts are letting out the same amount. That's the only time it ever connects, and the tubes are literally like, they're super thin. It's just for equalizing pressure. But fitment, this thing fit perfect. So I was expecting it to be, a little off. Anything aftermarket you put on the car usually doesn't fit right. There's usually a gap somewhere, or maybe, your exhaust, the left side will be a little bit higher than the right side. Absolutely not. This thing is spot on. I was so impressed. First off, I thought it was off because on the driver's side, the rear mounting bracket, I put it on upside down and I couldn't get it low enough, and the exhaust was like going up into the back bumper, and I was like, what the is going on? Well, dumbass me, I finally figured out, all right, the mounting bracket is put on upside down. So I turned it over. Once everything was tightened up, I tightened up, all the fittings and everything, went back through. Once everything was tight, I went back to the back of the side of the car. Perfect fit. And I was like, all right, well, let's see what it looks like with the actual tips on. So I installed the tips, even better. I just can't describe how perfect this exhaust fits around the whole middle of the car, around the rear sway bar. It has perfect clearance over the sway bar, and it has perfect clearance at the tailpipes. I mean, it is perfectly centered in the stock rear bumper holes for the stock bumper. So it is just a perfect fit. I love the style of it. All the other thing was the welding, the welds on it. The welds on it, so the tips are burnt blue, right? The welds on the actual thing, when you get close and look at the welds, it's actually the same color. All the welds are actually blue, gold, purple. It's absolutely spectacular. The thing is just a piece of beauty just to look at. And then when you turn the car on, it just gets even prettier. So that's about it for today, guys. I really just wanted to go through real quick and just talk about the exhaust. I am absolutely in love with the exhaust. It is amazing. Like I said, fitment was perfect. It's beautiful. It came with no scratches. It comes with all the gaskets you need. It comes with all the screws, nuts, bolts, lock nuts, anything you would need at all to put a brand new exhaust on it. It comes with it. Directions were in there and everything. So if you guys are ever thinking about getting an exhaust for your G35, get this one. If you like that deep tone in the VQ engine, you don't like rasp, you know, you just like it to, it sounds great. And I'll try to do a better video for you guys in the future of the actual sound. I'll see if I can get some decent sound equipment from work and actually get the sound put out there. But I mean, the sound in this thing, if you think it sounds good in the video, it sounds 10 times better in person, I promise you. And of course the look speaks for itself. The welds speak for themselves. Everything on this thing is just top notch. It's a great product. So if you're thinking about getting a new exhaust, I highly, highly recommend the HKS True Dual exhaust for the G35. I would not recommend any other exhaust for this car to any other person. Anytime, I've seen plenty of other exhausts, and if you love the sound of the Infiniti, this is what you need right here, is the HKS exhaust. It's absolutely amazing. But anyways, hope you guys liked it. I hope this helps someone out. That's why I'm doing these videos. I want to help you guys out. There's a lot of times I'm looking on the internet and I try and find videos or people's suggestions for things I want to buy personally for my car, and I can't find them. All you see is, you know, reviews on Amazon or reviews on websites, but those aren't always 100% accurate. I can't find, you know, videos of people actually talking about the products that they buy in person, you know, after they buy it, other than, you know, on paper or on the internet saying, hey, yeah, this product's awesome, you know, looks good, you know, sounds great. But I'm passionate about what I do. I'm passionate about cars. I'm passionate about this Infiniti. I love the VQ engine. I just love everything about this car. I don't like the previous owner of this car. If you watch my previous vlog video, you'll see why I don't like the owner of this car, the previous owner. But yeah, I hope this just helps someone out. I'm gonna keep doing videos just on things I install, and just talking about life in the car. So if you like what you saw, guys, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe. I'm doing weekly videos on installs or car vlogs. Feel free to subscribe to my page, check out all my other videos, and I'll see you guys around. Have a great day.